UNICA, it is the infrastructure of the future that Telefonica designed and defines, looking for a host. The network function virtualized in an SDN approach, covering three main topics: cloud services using this infrastructure, NFV functions hosted in these infrastructures, and in a multi-vendor environment. Telefonica could solve this issue months ago, but we have been working very hard trying to build an infrastructure in an SDN virtualized approach, being sure that this will be a multi-vendor approach. So, in fact, UNICA, it is the architecture of the future of the networks, services, and IT approach in the big operators.
So, I mean, it's a big deal, actually. It's a big deal because, as UNICA, as the announcement says, HP was selected both as the technology provider and the system integrator. And this means that we're not just providing the equipment, we're not just providing the standard great stuff that HP has, but we're actually helping Telefonica transform, whether it's transforming their data centers, whether it's onboarding VNFs, we're helping them end to end on this journey. So HP really is the prime here with Telefonica as a partner.
Has a huge experience in the servers approach. They have been very active in the routing, they have been very active in the network evolution, and they guarantee Telefonica a multi-vendor perimeter.
Well, I think one of the key reasons is if you look at the OpenNFV program that we launched a year ago as well, right? It really represents a lot of the things that Telefonica is looking for in terms of the journey that they're embarking on to get to virtualization. You know, openness is very important for them, right? The telcos are looking to move away from this sort of monolithic environment where they're locked in. And obviously, HP represent openness. We have, OpenStack was open source. We have our open ecosystem where we are encouraging and working with a lot of partners. So that was very important for them. Also, from a portfolio perspective, obviously, we have our converged infrastructure. We have an NFV direct orchestration engine, as well as a carrier-grade Helion, which is our OpenStack for carriers, which they're looking for as well. And we have very broad capabilities in terms of system integration, which is also an important piece here, both across IT and telco with our CMS and TS capabilities. And so I think at the end of the day, they were looking for someone who they can trust, but who also has these capabilities, but also someone who's going to run fast and is going to go as fast as possible to where the puck's going, not to where the puck's at. Well, I think it's significant for two things. First of all, I think it's significant for the industry in general because, Telefonica, there's a few programs going on in the world where they're doing NFV really in a broad sort of visionary way and actually going to full implementation at a global basis, not just dipping their toe here and there and trying a bunch of things. And Telefonica is one of those programs where Enrique has gone and said, no, we're going to go full bore. We're going to get on this journey. We're going to start deploying, and it's a global thing. It's across the board. All the things they're looking at, it's not just sort of a little silo. And obviously, from our perspective, this is a big deal because this is really truly showing the bridging between telco and IT, where HP, as one of the unique companies that has both IT capabilities, obviously, and cloud capabilities, as well as telco through our CMS capabilities, has been chosen here to drive this program. So I think that's a big deal, and it shows you a sign of the times where things are going in telco land.